Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious carrot and cauliflower pickle. First, select firm, fresh vegetables and gather your spices like mustard seeds, turmeric, and red chili powder. Next, ensure all your equipment, especially the jars, are thoroughly cleaned and sterilized. This preparation is crucial for a successful and safe pickling experience. We will then move on to preparing the vegetables and the flavorful brine. Now, let's prepare our main ingredients. Wash the carrots and cauliflower thoroughly, then cut the carrots into uniform 1/4 inch thick pieces. Break the cauliflower into small, consistent florets, about 1 inch in size. For the brine, combine 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of pickling salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a boil, adding your preferred pickling spices. With your vegetables and brine ready, it's time to pack the jars. Neatly arrange the carrot and cauliflower pieces into your clean, sterilized jars, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace. Carefully pour the hot brine over the vegetables, making sure they are completely covered. Use a clean utensil to release any trapped air bubbles. Finally, wipe the jar rims clean and seal them tightly with the sterilized lids and rings. After sealing, store your jars in a cool, dark place. The pickle needs time to cure, typically 3 to 5 days, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. You'll notice the vegetables softening and absorbing the tangy brine. Once opened, always refrigerate the pickle to ensure it stays fresh for several weeks. This delightful homemade pickle is perfect as a side dish or a flavorful addition to any meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.